Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of Speak English with me. Today we are going to learn English through a simple daily routine story. This will help you speak English naturally in your everyday life. Don't worry about mistakes. Just listen, imagine and repeat with me. Let's begin. Morning routine. Every morning I wake up at 6:30 am. I open my eyes and say good morning. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I drink a glass of water. I feel fresh and ready for the day. After getting ready, I go to the kitchen. I make my breakfast. Usually, I eat bread, eggs, or fruits. While eating, I think about my day. After breakfast, I start my work or studies. I sit at my desk and open my books or laptop. I focus and try to learn something new every day. Sometimes it is easy, sometimes it is difficult, but I never give up. At 1 pm, I take a break for lunch. I eat simple food like rice, vegetables, or roti. I also relax for a few minutes. In the evening, I go for a walk or play outside. It helps me feel relaxed and active. Sometimes I listen to music or talk with my family. At night, I finish my work and have dinner. Before sleeping, I say thank you for today. Then I go to bed and sleep peacefully. Today's useful sentences. I wake up early in the morning. Second, I eat my breakfast. Third, I go to study. Fourth one, I take a break and relax. Fifth one, I go to bed at night. Now it's your turn. Try to say your own daily routine in English.